Negotiation weakens commitment. Every time you negotiate with yourself, you weaken your own authority. And if you keep doing that, your brain learns something dangerous, that your promises to yourself don't actually matter. This isn't about perfection, it's about restoring personal authority. Most people think their biggest problem is motivation. It isn't. Their biggest problem is negotiation. You make a decision. I'm going to wake up early. I'm going to work out. I'm going to finish this project. But when the moment arrives, you start negotiating. Maybe I'll start tomorrow. I'll just skip today. I'll do it later tonight. It feels harmless. But every negotiation weakens your internal authority. The more you negotiate with yourself, the less seriously your brain takes your own commitments. Think about that. Your brain watches your behavior. If you repeatedly break your own word, it learns something. Your decisions are flexible. Your standards are negotiable. Your commitments are temporary. And once that belief forms, discipline becomes extremely difficult because the problem isn't effort anymore. It's credibility. You stop trusting yourself. You say you'll do something, but a part of you doesn't believe it. That's why people feel stuck. They're constantly negotiating with the version of themselves that wants comfort. Negotiation feels rational, but discipline removes negotiation. It replaces maybe with action. The most disciplined people don't debate every decision. They reduce the number of choices. They decide once and follow through, not because they feel like it, because they've decided that their word matters. Ask yourself something honest. How often do I negotiate with my own commitments? How often do I adjust promises to protect comfort? You don't need to eliminate flexibility in life, but you must eliminate negotiation with your core standards. Because every time you keep your word to yourself, confidence grows, trust grows, authority grows. And when personal authority grows, discipline becomes natural, negotiation weakens commitment, authority restores it. That is how the inner ledger stays balanced.